Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Children, today we are going to do a very interesting topic. The name of the topic is Adventure Sports. Children, you all know about various types of sports. But today we are going to discuss about adventure sports. Adventure sports are those activities which are full of thrill and excitement and sometimes dangerous also. These activities are undertaken through the medium of land, water, and air, which often involve speed, height, and high level of physical exertion. Okay, let us start now. Number one is bungee jumping. Bungee jumping is an activity that involves jumping from a very tall structure with an elastic cord which is attached to the participant's feet. That tall structure can be a building, crane, bridge, or even a helicopter. When the person jumps, the cord stretches and the jumper flies upwards again as the cord draws back and continues to swing up and down. Children, you can see a small video related to the sports. Next is river rafting. River rafting is a challenging outdoor activity. River rafting is also known as whitewater rafting. River rafting is also a competitive sport which is practiced around the world. In this sport, the team which reaches the destination first wins the race. The participants paddle or raft through a river's rapid waves. River rafting requires just the ability to swim and the cling on the boat. The participants paddle or raft through a river's rapids. River rafting requires just the ability to swim and to cling on to the boat. There are numerous places in India where you can enjoy this sport like Kullu Manali, Yamuna River, Ganga River in Rishikesh, etc.
Up inside, I come alive. Better days are on my side. I've been thinking thoughts of how the world sits in my head. Stop to take a look around, think about what you surround, express your words.
Next is skydiving. Skydiving is also known as parachuting. Skydiving includes free falling through the air prior to opening a parachute. It can be done individually or with groups of people. The jump can also be made from a helicopter or a balloon that is high enough in the sky. It is an exciting sport. Parachute is the equipment which is used for skydiving or parachuting. Next activity is windsurfing. Windsurfing is a surface water sport that is a combination of surfing and sailing. It is also referred to as sailboarding and board sailing. It is a recreational sport in which the participant rides on the water on a sailboat. Windsurfing is an adventurous sport that requires higher level of physical fitness. A windsurfing board is usually 2 to 3 meters long.
And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow.
Now let us see the next activity, surfing. Surfing means the activity or sport of riding ocean waves on a special board which is called a surfboard. Surfing is a surface water sport in which the participant or surfer uses a board to ride on the forward side or which usually carries the surfer towards the shore. Surfing needs a strong sense of balance and coordination. Next sport is skiing. Skiing is a recreational and competitive sport in which the participant attaches long skis to the shoes, which are called runners, and uses them to travel on the top of the snow. It is a winter sport. The skiing in India is done from January to March.
His best Olympic result is 6th in the Super Combined in Torino 8 years ago. And no male athlete from the Czech Republic has ever won a medal in alpine skiing. But Bank was fastest in the final training run for this event, raising expectations.
Children, I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you.